Okay, practice problem 3. It says y plus 12. So it is addition. To undo addition, I subtract. So I'm going to subtract 12, subtract 12. These cancel each other out. I bring down the y. Now when I'm subtracting, it said to change the sign and then add them together. So 12 plus 3 is 15. They're both negative, so they stay negative. Y is negative 15. Practice problem 4. So it says negative 2x. So it's not addition. It's not subtraction. This is multiplication. All right. How do I undo multiplication? I divide. I'm going to put my division bar, and I'm dividing by a negative 2. So x equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. X equals 11. Oh, but I divided by a negative, so it's negative 11. Remember, in multiplication and division, if one of them is negative, the answer is negative. If both of them are negative, the answer would have been positive. Practice problem 5. I have, it's not addition, it's not subtraction, it's not multiplication. So I have it's a fraction, so this is division, okay? So to undo division, I am multiplying. And when the 3 was on the bottom, they multiplied everything by 3. So I'm going to put times 3 and times 3. Oops, not 3 for me, huh? For me, it's just 2. I was looking at the poster. So I have to put times 2 and times 2. So that makes this go away, and I have the t, because half of 2 is 1, right? So I just have 1t. You can put the 1 if you want. And then 8 times 2 is 16. So my answer is not x, sorry guys, but t equals 16. So now that you've had time to practice, you're going to do your exit ticket. In the exit ticket, you have 2 questions that you're going to solve. So if this were my exit ticket question, first, there might be a question saying, what's the opposite of addition? So you're going to look for the one that says, how do you undo addition? You would choose subtraction. And then the next question is going to ask you, what's the answer? So you would put 16, just 16. You don't have to put x equals or t equals. Then there's going to be another question asking you, what's the opposite of, multiplication? So you're going to find the one that says how you undo multiplication, and you would choose division. Okay, so that is it. You are ready for your exit ticket.